Well, this is not bright at all. It might look brighter inside the camera because it's directly looking at it, but if you look at the light over here, when I put my finger over it, you see there's like almost no illumination. And here, I'll turn it sideways so you can see almost nothing. And so you see all those dead ones right there. I think this one was not eBay. What's the name of that? Amazon. I think these were Amazon lights. These were not the real bright high output ones. And so that one's going dead. That one is dead. So time to change some lights. And yes, it's blinking.